Finance Educational Portal, Advanced Audit and Assurance, which is subject in P7, which is Advanced Audit. Important area which will be covered are audit planning, matters to consider, audit procedures and audit evidence, audit reports, ethics and quality, other assignments, money laundering, professional appointments, and small areas. Audit planning we will see first of all in detail, and this is overall subject of the P7 ACCA. And if you cover these 4 to 5 subjects like audit planning, most important area, this matters to consider, audit procedures, most important area, audit report, ethics and quality, these 4 areas cover about 80% of your paper. Like if you do enough practice in these 4 areas, you can pass your paper easily. In some papers, you can find the question of money laundering, professional appointment, and small areas like forensic, data analytics, etc. We will see in detail later. First, we are starting from the audit planning. Audit planning includes 2 areas, broader category, risk evaluation and audit planning theory. And audit planning theory is general. You will understand from the questions we will do. First, we are focusing on risk evaluation. Risk evaluation includes business risk, risk of material misstatement, and audit risk. And business risk, which is the important questions in this attempt, definition can be any factor which can create an adverse effect on ongoing activity of the business. And you can say adverse effect on profits, going concern, and business model. For example, there is loss of key employee, loss of major customer, new regulations are imposed, legal case on an entity, there is a high fixed cost, then business risk will be available there. You can do practice with certain questions in past paper. These are just for your passive practice purpose, and there are many other questions. Okay, in these questions, the important points you can consider are technology or fashion change. First of all, you can see in question if there is some technology obsolescence or fashion change. You will notice industries like mobile phones, computer, pharmaceutical, or luxury products. For example, existing products are getting obsolete, or for example, there is laws or regulations, or there are a lot of investments on innovation. Another is loss of key employee. For example, an organization is relying too much on a single employee, or you can find it by saying that the employees are leaving the company. The trigger can be found, for example, if the one employee has expertise and he's leaving, or for example, cost of hiring new employees is very high. Another point is foreign transaction. For example, goods are sold to overseas suppliers, and the risk will be adverse exchange rate movement or increase in cost of the purchase. For example, if you have to pay some amount or receive some amount, and there is heavy fluctuation in the foreign exchange currency. And another point is legal case. For example, non-compliance by company, potential loan. For example, ongoing product development, or some product or project is going on and we have to take the loan from bank, and business situation is that we can't get it due to its conditions. And you can find it by having trigger like online transactions. You can see new website is being developed, and the risk will be like confidentiality risk. And another trigger you can find liquidity problems, if a company has liquidity problems or cash flow problems, and reputational problems like accident is happening in an organization, or for example organization is selling cheaper products. You can create businesses by having too much competition. Political instability, for example, their political uncertain, or the environment is not good, and laws and regulations are too much high that compliance with it gets too much money, or there's a lot of expertise is required, so company can face business risk. Or for example existing loans company has and company cannot repay it, or company is unable to pay its debt, so it may hinder the current activities of the business. And all these points can be applied in any question, and the points will be points can be other than these points, but majority of them are these. Thank you.